using the electronic leak detection equipment by LeakTronics. First thing we do is we set up our equipment by the pool. We take our equipment out, lay it out, and what we're doing is we're going to get ready to walk the pool and take a look and see what this pool's actually made of. We're looking for returns, we're looking for suction, we're looking for drains, we're looking for structural cracks. We're taking a look around, and we're taking a look around from all different angles. Then we're going to walk the equipment, we're going to give it a brief once over, and then we're going to get our equipment ready. We're going to plug in our LT1000, set it up, and now we're ready to start our leak detection. When we listen to skimmers, we listen to front ports, we listen to back ports, we actually listen to skimmer seams and skimmer throats. Next thing we do is, because we took a walk around, now we're going to listen to everything that we actually saw. So we're going to listen in front of returns, we're going to listen in front of side suctions. When we do that, we treat it like a clock. This way, if it's leaking on the outside, it's going to get louder where the actual leak is. If it's dead center, it's usually in the plumbing, and we're going to deal with that in a minute. So we're going to keep walking around, we're going to keep listening. We go to the next return, we're going to the third return, drop and drag it over a main drain. When we drop and drag, get it in, drop our wire so we don't have any handling noise. Now we're going to listen to spa jets, spa suction, spa lights, conduits, everything in the spa. What we're listening for is that distinctive jet sound. We're going to treat our lights just like a clock, just like we did the drain cover. Again, louder on the outside is going to be the actual niche. Louder in the center is going to be the conduit. We're going to listen to side suctions, and we're going to finish, and we're going to stop back at the skimmer. That's why we always like to start at one point so that we know that we didn't miss anything when we walk the pool. Here we're listening to the line, and we're actually locating it within that line. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to send our pipe mic in. So the pool scope's going to get you to the area, then the pipe mic's going to go in under very low volumes and low sensitivity, and it's going to pinpoint when that head of that mic is right over the actual leak. So we send it in. This is the sound you're going to hear. When we get right over it, we pinch our wire at the wall, lay it out on the deck, and that's where our leak is. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to mark it, and our leak detection is done.